Imagine you've just discovered a hidden treasure trove of digital assets. A world where your creativity can be monetized and your unique ideas can reach a global audience. But who exactly gets to unlock this digital goldmine? Can anyone open a Neon account? Neon, as you may know, is a platform that empowers creators to monetize their content. It's a place where artists, musicians, writers, and more can showcase their work and connect with a passionate community. So, let's dive into the requirements for opening a Neon account. Age. To join the Neon community, you'll need to be at least 18 years old. This ensures that you have the legal capacity to enter into agreements and manage your earnings. Location. While Neon is a global platform, there are certain regions where it's currently unavailable. This is due to various factors, including legal restrictions and infrastructure limitations. Make sure to check Neon's official website for the most up-to-date information on supported locations. Identity verification. To protect both creators and the platform, Neon requires you to verify your identity. This typically involves providing identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. This step helps prevent fraud and ensures that your account is secure. Terms of service. Before you can start creating and monetizing content on Neon, you'll need to agree to their terms of service. This document outlines the rules and regulations that govern the platform, so it's important to read it carefully. Content quality. Neon places a high value on quality content. Your account may be subject to review to ensure that your creations adhere to their guidelines. This helps maintain a positive and engaging environment for all users. Additional considerations. While these are the primary requirements, there may be additional factors to consider depending on your specific situation. For example, if you're a minor, you might need to obtain parental consent to open an account. Neon also reserves the right to suspend or terminate accounts that violate their terms of service or engage in harmful activities. So, can you open a Neon account? If you meet the age requirements, reside in a supported region, and are willing to comply with their terms, then the digital world of Neon is open to you. With Neon, you have the opportunity to showcase your talent, connect with like-minded individuals, and potentially turn your passion into a profitable career. Ready to embark on this exciting journey? Visit Neon's website today and start creating your digital legacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.